Yeah, bro, I'm Mike,
No, baby, don't do like that. Oh, I want you to.
Yeah, Mr. General, today we are in the street, asking some questions about this Nigerian Biafra problem.
No, baby, don't do like
asking
that.
to know some people's opinion because Nigerians, Biafra say they want to go out of Nigeria. So we are on the street, we are asking people to know their opinion. Maybe what is your own view? What is your own view about the issue?
First of all, I can say that me na Ghanaian, I'm Ghanaian, but I believe say Nigerians should stay as Nigerians, not to say as in Biafrans will see that we are Biafrans, so we have like you want to go out of Nigeria. No, let them stay and be one and unite as one. See Europeans, see Italy, see German, see all of them are Europeans, and they are different kind of countries. You understand? Nobody say one country, all of them are different, but they come together because they want to unite and stand as one and be strong. So all of them come together and stand as one. So what of Nigeria, just states, one of them will see that no, because we have oil, because we have all this and that, we want to pull ourselves out. No, let them stay as one and work together. And all of them cannot do the work there. So let Nigerians stay as Nigerians and work together. That's all my opinion.
Yeah, but some people say Nigeria is too big. Nigeria is too big to stay alone. Understand? So if they divide the country, so maybe it will come and become. Everybody may have his own freedom, you get, because of the bigness of the country. So that is why the Biafrans, they say they want to leave.
Okay. See, but me too, I want to first ask one question. Is Nigeria bigger than Europe? Answer this one for me before.
No.
If not, then I think Nigerians have to unite and stay as one and work as one, and all of them should gain as one people. Because listen now, Volta region from Ghana cannot say that because I'm Volta, I want to go out from Ghana and say that no, I want to stand as a continent. No, it can't be. They must stay in their state and work all together as one country. That's what we believe. So I don't know waiting the audience opinion.
Yeah, my name is Mike, aka my Phantom Steve, you?
My people, I greet everyone. Yeah. My name is Prince Uchochukwu. I'm from Nigeria, Enugu State, Biafra land. The thing where they happen for Nigeria not funny anymore. Because we the Western world, now we they suffer everything about Nigeria issue. Nigeria people, Buhari, our president Buhari, they understand what they pass through in abroad. What will they pass through in abroad today difficult for us to bear as citizens of Nigeria. We they pass many things in Europe, in the Western world, because of Nigeria.
Yeah, bro, quick one. I want to see this Nigeria and Biafra matter. How you see the matter? Nigeria say they want, Biafra say they want to go out of Nigeria. How you see that one won't really touch today?
Yes, I'm a typical Igbo. Inside the typical Igbo, I'm a Biafra man. Please, I want to say audio governor or president or audio people where they lead us from Nigeria, from Africa, Nigeria particularly, because Buhari, I want to tell you something. You see this life, from example, good leader who start to take care of their citizen. Number one, Buhari, you are not trying anymore. You are not trying. You are not doing anything. See, for now, we there Europe. We to make our people, to send money for our people, to give our people food is very hard for us because them banned our currency. What do you always want? Them banned our currency because Nigeria is not making any sense anymore. Nigeria be like funny market. That's why they cry. They tell Let them share Nigeria into 3 places. I will say
this Nigeria and Biafra matter. When they say they want to divide themselves, what do you got to tell the Nigerian about the nation? Just divide them.
Please, my brothers and sisters, please, our Excellency,
Yes.
Buhari, mother from Hausa land, not from Hausa land, Jubrin, please, I beg in the name of Chukwu Ikobioma, please, see me and maybe Prince Uchenna. Share this country. Let us, everybody go in your own way. We don't tire for sufferness. We no want continue to suffer again because our children, the suffer what they face now. If we leave our children, will continue it. Please, we don't need one Nigeria anymore. Let us go our way. Everybody go our way. Faster.
Please, you speak a little bit louder for us. Bro, we are on the street today asking some questions about this Nigeria and Biafra matter. So we want to know your opinion about the matter. You want to make Nigeria divide, or you want to make we still remain as in one Nigeria?
We need to remain in one Nigeria. So we have to check. We don't need to remain in one Nigeria. Yes. We have to check the country so that everybody will know its part. Because to start with, at least Buhari, we have to come down so that we don't need the Buhari anymore for anything. So we don't need Buhari. So they have to share the country so that everybody will know its part, so that they will know the way to handle their part. That's what I see. That's what I see for the matter.
Okay, you mean say make them divide the country, make Biafra go their own, make Nigeria go their own?
Yes, that's what you mean. They have to share the country. Make Biafra go their own, make Nigeria go their own, so that everybody knows its part. Yeah, that's what you mean.
Okay, what do you have to tell the Buhari of a team, this Buhari of a man, who you say will cause problems since we enter this government? What do you have to tell this man? I want you to tell him something so that he will hear. You understand?
Yes, nothing I need to tell Buhari. Buhari have to lead there. Buhari have to lead there. You don't know Buhari anymore. Buhari is no longer alive again. You don't recognize Buhari anymore.
You mean they should divide the country?
Yes, they have to.
Nigeria.
Yes, me na SSC. I'm from Edo State. You do Pataki.
Okay, like now, as you say from Edo State, now it's made them divide the country. Like which party you want to do for the Nigeria? You want to for the Biafran side or you want to for the Nigerian side?
God forbid, I think Nigerian side, Edo State, Oba Atokwe. Oba Atokwe is from Edo State. Yes, that's big.
Okay, shout out to Oba himself.
Yeah, Oba Atokwe. Even said the country, me I even wonder, not really supposed to be because Oba said he do get power self for all those things they happen. Because now he our father, so we supposed to speak for all those things they happen. But I was surprised, the thing never even make me understand. So I be Edo, I don't pack a day. Understand? Yes. We are sharing and stuff. We know ourselves.
You don't want to make Oba rule the country?
Yes. I want to know about me speak. Because we get your power now. You are second God. Now you do. Yeah, we don't say president everybody get power. I want to the day, but so Oba get power to speak on you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your opinion. Thank you, boss.
my brother, please, I want to ask you something.
Okay.
Please, can you look around? Where do you European are? Where do you European be? Can you see they have underground where train they pass? Yes. They have many things. Good citizen, good government.
Yes.
Whether the government is no good, but they are helping their citizen.
Exactly. Yes.
Nigeria can be like this. We are complaining. Wow. Nigeria can take care of citizen. We are complaining. We are moving from country to maintenance, from country to country. See, in Europe, nobody going to come out in your own country because their country is good. Their government is paying them. Their government is doing good for them. But our government is killing the citizen. Our government is doing bad thing.
Tell Jubrin the last thing. Tell Jubrin the last thing.
Jubrin. Now maybe parents, I know they fear any woman being, any for come on the Peter. If they feel me so, come out for that praise. Or if they ban this country for your hand, you go the country where you come from. Now I get to tell you, if you not do it, citizen of the country, the youth, you will lash against you. You will lash against every bad thing you are doing in Nigeria. Thank you very much. I don't have another word to tell you, but another stage we will come again. We will see together. Thank you.
say your nickel them blow my mind. Me we give you money anyway.